The Brazil World Cup is now upon us, but on Wednesday night, Rio's Christ the Redeemer statue was illuminated with the 32 national flags of the teams competing in the world's largest football tournaments. The 30-metre statue, which has overlooked Rio de Janeiro since its completion in 1933, was given a spectacular makeover on the eve of the competition. The monument donned the colours of the likes of Germany, Argentina, host Brazil, and reigning world and European champion Spain. Coloured lights were projected onto the iconic statue, while the national anthems of each team were played in the background. Meanwhile, workers were making final preparations for the FIFA Fan Fest at Copacabana Beach, an event which will feature live music concerts and iconic moments from past World Cup events. Brazil's second largest city was painted in a colourful hue, but the nation hopes its Seleção star Neymar, who lights up the World Cup.